Thank your interest bring you top 5 best smoke detector for kitchen reviews. Number 1. First Alert Smoke Detector and Carbon Monoxide Detector Alarm. Keep your family safe with this battery-operated smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Indicator lights on the face of the unit display the presence of smoke or carbon monoxide. Battery-operated unit installs quickly and easily without an electrician. Low battery signal mute. Quiets low battery signal for up to 8 hours. Number 2. Google S3000BWES Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Phone alerts. Nest Protect sends you a message when there's a problem or the batteries run low. Smoke and CO locator. Nest Protect speaks up if there's smoke or CO and tells you where it is, so you know what to do. Detects CO. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, poisonous gas. Nest Protect tells you where it's hiding. Number 3. 2-pack combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector battery operated. Combo smoke detector / carbon monoxide alarm detects 2 threats. Photoelectric sensor detects smoke while minimizing false alarms. Electrochemical CO sensor alerts you to carbon monoxide danger. Photoelectric sensor detects smoke while minimizing false alarms. Number 4. XSense 10-year battery combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector alarm. This combination smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector alarm provides 10 years of continuous power with a built-in lithium battery. Different alarm patterns of this carbon monoxide detector and smoke alarm tell you. XSense carbon monoxide fire alarm is equipped with combination photoelectric smoke and electrochemical CO sensors that work independently. Number 5. 2-pack combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector alarm battery operated digital display. Accurate, reliable and highly sensitive alarm, equipped with both photoelectric smoke sensor and electrochemical CO sensor that work independently. Clearly indicates real-time carbon monoxide, CO, concentration in the surrounding air. Tests the unit for proper operation and resets the smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe our channel to stay updated and find the product links in the video description.